Hey, what's up, bosses? New feature here for you. You can now choose some multiple meeting locations in any of your appointments or products and services. So we're going to go and edit one of our appointments. And you'll see here now that you have a meeting location. So it used to be only had a choice of Google Meet or Zoom, but now you can choose none or Zoom or Google Meet like always. You can choose your address if the meeting is going to be at your address. And it'll either pull in your address that you have in your profile, or you can override it and put another address here. Or you could put in your phone number and it'll pull the phone number from your profile. You can put the phone number in here, or you could put in if you want to meet at your customers. Let's say you're a plumber or electrician and you're going to your customer's house. So you put customer address, and the customer will now put in here. We'll just show you how that looks. Right now, when you check out, it'll ask for the customer's address. So we'll just show you how that looks. Here, we're waiting for that to load. You also have the customer's phone number. So if you have that, it'll ask the customer for a phone number and a static link, which means that you could put in, if let's say you're using another like GoToMeet or something like that. So you want to put your GoToMeeting link, you could put that in here, and you could call it what you want. My GoToMeeting link or whatever other third party software you're using. And the cool thing is that it'll go into the section here in your calendar. So now it shows up in your calendar. So if it's the address, it'll show up where it is, and in the booking notifications, obviously, right here, location, and in the reminder emails to go out as well. So I know it's a really cool update that people have been looking for. Let's just see how it looks here. Here, meeting address. So it's asking you to put in your address for that meeting. Anyway, much more still to come. Thank you for being a boss, and see you on the flip side.